Welcome to Miami Visuals. In this tutorial, I will show you the menu bar on the left side where the builder tools are located. These tools will allow you to have 100% control of your website. On the menu, you can navigate the pages of your website, apply your branding, and connect your domain. In this menu you'll find 6 builder tools. First is an icon with 3 horizontal lines, represents the pages of your website. In the Pages button you can navigate throughout the existing pages on your website. In here you can also navigate on your blogs, your portfolio, and the store. Then you can add additional web pages and window pop-ups by clicking on the red button above. And select what you wanted to add to your website. On clicking the page you will see a collection of pre-designed templates. We have webinars, products, events and more. Hover over one of the templates to see a quick preview of the design. In this wide variety of templates, you can choose a template that is specially designed to meet your needs. By clicking on Preview, you'll see a full preview on all devices in advance. The desktop preview, tablet view, and mobile phone view. Click Exit. Let's go to the Products tab. In here we can see different template designs that will suit your business. For example, this template, let's click on Preview. In here you can see that it corresponds to a book. And we can see how its approach work towards that product. Another example can be the memberships. If we explore the template, we can see that there are specially designed spaces already for you to use. Let's use this template. Click on the red button to get started. Enter the desired name of the page. Then click on Add. And that is how you add a page. Now this is how your page looks like. Next, to delete a page, click on the page icon on the menu. Then hover over the desired page that you want to delete. Then click on the 3-dot icon to see the page options. And click Delete. And click Yes to confirm. Next, in the plus icon on the menu, we have the Widget Tools. Click on the plus icon. And you'll see a variety of elements that you can add to your website. We have the basics, which are text, button, image, progress bar, and spacer. For leads, we can add form, booking, and membership. On sales we have the checkout and store. In media we have gallery, audio, and video. We can even add embed and custom programming codes. Let's add an image on the next module below the title. To do that, let's go to the widgets. Click and drag the image widget on desired location and then drop it. Next, click the plus icon to add your image. If you want to add an image from your computer, click on Upload File. Then a window from your computer will show up. Then select the image that you want to add. Then click Open. When fully uploaded, click on your image. Then click Select. I'll click on Stretch. Let's modify the image as you want. Next I want to add spaces between the image and title. Click on the Add Widgets. Click and drag the spacer to location. Then adjust the height and width as desired. Next, let's add a button using the same method. Then let's change the text content to learn more. We can adjust the space between the text and the button by hovering over the button and drag the side until the element reaches desired location. To know more about button modifications, you can go to the previous tutorial. Now you see that Miami Visuals provides the widgets that your website needs. Next, we have the global styling. You can see it by clicking on the paintbrush icon on the menu. The global styling is one of the most important features of the website, because it allows you to apply the branding of your website. Here we have text styling, add new font, color palette, website layout, and page styling. Let's click text styling. With text styling we can modify the text of the paragraphs, headings, quote, and text links. To modify the text styles, hover over your desired text. Then click on Edit. A window settings will appear. Let's change the font style to audio wide. Then resize the text by dragging the slider to the left or right to decrease or increase in size. Then add spacing between the letters. Change the font color to dark blue. Click outside to deselect. To save changes on your text styling, click on Confirm. You can also add a new fonts. Go to the global settings. Click Add Fonts. Click again Add Fonts to add a new font from the builder. In here Miami Visuals has over 500 Google fonts available. Type in the box to search for desired font. I'll choose in Lobster. Then click on the font. Then click Confirm to save changes. Now, I want to apply the new font to be applied only to this title. All I have to do is double click. Select all text inside its container. Then change the font style to Lobster. Click Outside. Click Save Changes. That is how easy you can add new fonts to add on your texts. In Global Styling, we can also change the branding color under Color Palette. Click on Color Palette. Here you can change the primary color, secondary, and other color settings. Color changes will be made in real time. In this case, let's change the primary color to dark blue. Click the color. Select the color. Click Outside. And click Confirm. Observe how the color changes were applied throughout the website. Now I want to modify the grid width of the website. Go to Global Settings. Click Website Layout. Click and slide left or right to decrease or increase the width of your grid. I prefer to leave it at 1300 pixels. Click Confirm to save changes. And lastly, on the Global Styling, we have the Page Styling. Click on Page Styling. In here you can add background image or background color for the whole page. To add image, you can use the method we did a while ago. To change background color, click on the color. Changes take effect in real time. I'll leave the color to white. Click Confirm to save changes. Next feature of the Builder tools is the funnels. Click on this button to create or open funnels. Click on Create a Funnel. Here you can see a variety of funnels of different categories to choose from. Select what fits best for your business. Click on Preview to see how it looks if applied to the website. You can see desktop view, tablet, and on mobile devices. Funnels are very effective tools. It's direct to achieve conversions. But we will cover this topic in more detail in the next tutorials. The next option we have in the Builder menu is the General Settings. Click on the gear icon on the menu. In here you can modify the website title, add a favicon, and a social sharing image. To add your favicon, click on the Add icon, and upload using the method that we did before. Click on your image, and click Select. Then do the same method for the social image. Click Save to update changes. Another option that we have in the General Settings is to add custom code. Click on Custom Code. In here you can add your codes for your website. For example, that of Google Analytics, or the code for adding WhatsApp chat to the website. Click Outside. Then on the General Settings we have the Page SEO, which will reflect on the Google page rankings. Let's add the page title. Add the meta description. Add social share image. This information will also generate your digital business card. Click Save to update changes. If you already have an existing domain, you can connect it by clicking on the domains. Click on Connect an existing domain. Enter your domain name. Click Connect Domain. And it will give you the exact instruction on how to connect it on your own domain provider. You can also change the language and time setting of your website in here. Click and select a desired website language in case you need to. Then change the website time zone according to the local time zone of your website. Then let's change the date format from 24 hours to 12 hours. Click Save to update changes. Then we have cookies and privacy. To track user behavior and to request a copy of customer data. In the General Settings, we also have applications, wherein you can add and connect an application. We have MailChimp, Facebook, ActiveCampaign, and more. Just click on Connect. For MailChimp, just copy and paste your API key. Then click Save and Verify. This option will allow us to manage emails. Or click Cancel to deselect. For Facebook, just copy and paste your Facebook Pixel ID. Facebook Pixel is a tool to capture the information of each visitor to help your website's Facebook advertising campaigns. Then click Save and Verify to update. Or click Cancel to deselect. For ActiveCampaign, just copy and paste your host and API key. ActiveCampaign helps us with mailing strategies, automations, and more. Click Save and Verify to update. Or click Cancel to deselect. Then we also have personalization and URL redirects. And lastly, in the Builder menu, we have the website preview. Click on the eye icon. Here you can see what our website looks like or if we are ready to make it on air in different devices. And if you want to view it on a new tab, click on the red button. And this is how you can easily create a beautiful website, using the builder tools of Miami Visuals. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.